Welcome to our next video. Best pour painting technique for amazing cells. Today we paint on a 30 by 40 centimeters canvas. Our first color is phthalo blue. All colors from Talens Amsterdam. Our next color is azo yellow. All colors are mixed with floetrol 1:1. The next color is turquoise blue. The last one is permanent red-violet light. To all colors, we added a little bit of water for the right consistency. For amazing cells, we use the flip cup technique with a dirty cup. Dirty cup means that we do not layer the colors in the cup, but pour them together. As you will see now. To all colors, we added 5 drops silicone oil. Here we pour yellow into blue and turquoise, knowing that we will also get green. If we pour the colors together like this and do not layer them separately, we will have individual cells in the cells in different colors. Later in the video, you will see what I mean. Now we flip the cup onto the canvas. Let's take another look at this from a different angle. Tilt it very slowly at first because we don't want to destroy the cells. I'll show you at triple speed. Use a heat gun to remove air bubbles. Here I am trying something new for one of my next paintings. We're adding the color just for flow, but I mixed it thinner for a different effect. It doesn't matter for this painting because we'll tilt it off the canvas later. You can already see the effect. Tilt it slowly. Always keep an eye on your cells. Don't destroy the structure. Now you can see what I meant before. We have cells in our cells in different colors. That's the dirty cup effect. We can see turquoise and blue cells in yellow, green yellow and blue cells in red violet, and red violet and yellow cells in blue. Thanks for watching. Check out our next video. There are hundreds for you to create your own artwork.